everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study how to compute the interior angles of a polygon about the sum. Okay, this is for grade 7. Okay, number 1, find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the triangle. So remember, triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. So our formula to use is sum is equals to n minus 2 times 180. So since the triangle 3 sides, so we are going to substitute to n, becomes 3 minus 2 times 180. 3 minus 2 equals 1 times 180. So the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, which is triangle, is 180 degrees. Okay, the second problem, find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a quadrilateral. So when we see quadrilateral, it is per side. So our solution to find the sum of the interior angles, we have s equals to n minus 2 times 180. And we're going to substitute for n, becomes 4 because quadrilateral is per sides, minus 2 times 180. Then 4 minus 2 equals 2 times 180. So the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, next problem, number 3. Find the sum of the interior angles of the trigon. So trigon means 30 is the sides of the polygon. Solution, we have the sum equals n minus 2 times 180. And since the sides of a polygon is given, 30, we're going to substitute it from n. Then 30 minus 2 times 180. Then 30 minus 2 equals 28 times 180. So we have the sum of 5,040 degrees, the trigon. Okay, next, number 4 problem. Find the sum of the interior angles of a 15gon. So, meaning to say we have 15 sides of the polygon. So, solution, we have the sum equals to n minus 2 times 180. Then, since n is the sides of the polygon, so we're going to substitute, becomes 15 minus 2 times 180. Then 13 times 180 equals 2,340 degrees is the sum of the 15gon. Next problem, number 5. Find the sum of the interior angles of a 100gon. So meaning to say the sides of the polygon is 100. So since we're going to find the sum of the polygon, we're going to use the formula s equals n minus 2 times 180. Then n stands for the sides of a polygon. We are going to substitute now. 100 minus 2 equals 180. Then 100 minus 2 equals 98 times 180. The sum now is 17,640 degrees. Okay, next, number 6 problem. Find the interior angles of an octagon. So remember, octagon, we have 8 sides. So to find the sum of their angles, so we are going to use the same formula, S equals n minus 2. Today we're going to study how to compute the interior angles of a regular polygon. When we say regular polygon, the sides of polygons are equal. The first problem, find the measures of each interior angles of regular polygon pentagon. To say pentagon means 10 sides. So our formula is mi equals n minus 2 times 180 over n. Then we have to substitute the value of n is 10 minus 2 equals 180 over 10. Then 10 minus 2 is 8 times 180 over 10. Then 8 times 180 equals 1,440 over 10. Angles is 144 degrees. Okay, next problem. Find the measures of its interior angles of a regular polygon octagon. So our formula now is mi equals n minus 2 times 180 over n. And since octagons, 8 sides, we're going to substitute for n. That's why it becomes 8 minus 2 times 180 over 8. Then 8 minus 2 equals 6 times 180 over 8. Then 6 times 180 equals 1080 over 8, and the result and the quotient becomes our measure of interior angles equals 135 degrees. It's interior angles of a regular polygon. Okay, we have another problem. The regular polygon of 20 gon, find the measure of its interior angles. So our solution, we will use the formula mi equals to n minus 2 times 180 over n, and it's equals to, we have to substitute for n, 20 gon, so 20 minus 2 equals 180 over 20, so 20 minus 2 equals 18 times 180 over 20, then 18 times 180 over 20. The results of that is our measure of interior angles is equals to 162 degrees. Okay, another problem. Regular polygon of 30 gon, find the measures of each interior angles. Our solution, the same. We're going to use the formula measures of interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180 over n. Then 30 minus 2, because the n stands for 30 gon, times 180 over 30, so 28 times 180 over 30 becomes 28 times 180 equals 5,040 over 30. Then 5,040 divided by 30 equals 168 degrees. Now is our measure of interior angles of 30 gon.